8496. Suitability for use of a specific propeller with a particular engine-airplane combination can be determined by reference to what informational source? A. Propeller specifications or propeller type certificate data sheet. B. Aircraft specifications or aircraft type certificate data sheet. C. Alphabetical index of current propeller type certificate data sheets, specifications, and listings. The correct answer is B. The permitted engine propeller configurations that have been given approval for a particular aircraft are listed in the aircraft specifications or type certificate data sheets. 8497. When an aircraft is sold domestically, the airworthiness certificate A. must be surrendered to the local flight standards district office. B. becomes invalid until the new owner makes application for a new airworthiness certificate. C. is transferred with the aircraft at the time of sale. The correct answer is C. The airworthiness certificate is transferred with the aircraft at the time of sale. When an aircraft is sold domestically, the airworthiness certificate remains valid and is transferred to the new owner along with the aircraft. The new owner must keep the airworthiness certificate in the aircraft and have it available for inspection when required. 8498. The issuance of an airworthiness certificate is governed by A. 14 CFR Part 23. B. 14 CFFI Part 21. C. 14 CFR Part 39. The correct answer is B. The issuance of an airworthiness certificate is governed by 14 CFR Part 21. This regulation outlines the requirements for obtaining an airworthiness certificate for aircraft in the United States. 8499. Specifications pertaining to an aircraft model manufactured under a type certificate of which less than 50 are shown on the FAA Aircraft Registry can be found in the A. Aircraft listing. B. Summary of discontinued aircraft specifications. C. FAA Statistical Handbook of Civil Aircraft Specifications. The correct answer is A. The aircraft listing contains the certification requirements for aircraft that are presently in service or that have received less than 50 certificates. 8500. Where are technical descriptions of certificated propellers found? A. Applicable airworthiness directives. B. Aircraft specifications. C. Propeller type certificate data sheets. The correct answer is C. The technical descriptions of certificated propellers can be found in the propeller type certificate data sheets, which are issued by the FAA. These data sheets include specifications such as the propeller's design, dimensions, and performance characteristics.